guys, FabFitFun is 10 years old. You know what that means? This is gonna be an amazing spring box. So this is all about customization 3, and make sure you stick around to the end because I have a code that will help you save some money on the box. Okay, let's get started. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Say that 10 times fast. Eye creams are the best. I am a big proponent of eye creams. This one is super great because it reduces the appearance of dark circles. It's lightweight, it's brightening, it's hydrating, and it's always good to start an eye cream no matter what your age is. It's always good to just make sure that you have plump under eyes. So with this, you're gonna use 1 pump on both eyes. This is what it looks like, super thick and creamy. It smells like nothing, which is kind of ideal. It's basically electrolytes for your under eyes, so we need it. You put 1 pump for both eyes, gently tap under the eye. You can put it on your eyelid or your brow bone and make sure that it's fully absorbed. Okay. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. First off, look how big this is. Like, this is my hand. I have big hands for a lady. It's huge. This will last forever. I've been wanting to try this just because goat milk sounds like so luxurious and expensive, and the bottle and the color, like, rich. This one is super nice because it doesn't irritate the skin or tighten the face. It's non-foaming, has a really creamy formula to remove your makeup. It smells really clean and like pure. Doesn't smell like goat milk. I don't know if goat milk has a smell, but if you're worried about that, it just smells really clean. I get some on my nose. And Kate Somerville is a member favorite brand. I've been waiting to try this cleanser for a long time, and I hope you guys will like it too. Next, we have the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate Daily Foaming Wash. Love how she can work in Kate into her products. ExfoliKate. It's very cute. This is my mom's favorite face wash, and I trust her with my life, so you guys can trust her too. It's gonna be good. This is a daily foaming face wash. It's for all skin types, and it effectively cleanses away makeup, dirt, oil, impurities, and it also exfoliates. See, now she's got me saying it. It exfoliates. You guys know ExfoliKate from past boxes. That is a treatment that you use once a week. This one is different because it is a face wash that you use once a day. My dermatologist told me that I need to start exfoliating more, so I'm really excited to use this. And by dermatologist, I mean friend who knows a lot about skincare. Okay. ExfoliKate. All right, next we have these Katie Kime 2-piece berry bowls. Look how cute these are. They are so, you know those videos on TikTok of people like organizing food in their fridge? It's very this. They're super heavy too, like high quality. They're reusable and perfect for your tablescape or your fridgescape, and they're dishwasher safe. We love that. They'd go great with the Katie Kime products in the box, so look out for them in customization too. Wink, wink. Next, we have the McGRATH Labs MatteTrance lipstick. First off, the packaging is so cute already, just with like the outer packaging. It's so nice. The actual packaging of the lipstick is so cute. There's a little lip on it. It's black and it has this gold detailing. I think it's so chic and just like that girl vibes. These are limited quantities, so you're definitely gonna wanna make sure that you customize exactly at 9 a.m. to get this because these are definitely gonna be a hot commodity. They are smooth matte lipstick and saturated but really lightweight. I am wearing FemmeBot right now. It's like a super neutral but pinky. I can tell you that it's super lightweight. It feels like you're not having anything like sticky or heavy on your lips. It just feels like your lips, but better. It's an oil-infused powder formula that creates a soft focus effect while conditioning your lips. I'm just really excited about this brand. McGRATH is like an all-time amazing brand. I've always wanted to have some of her products, so being able to have it in this box with such beautiful colors is amazing. I feel like a celebrity when I wear it, you know? I always feel like a celebrity every time I have on lipstick. I just feel like, okay, my outfit, my look is complete. Paparazzi, stop, you guys. I'm just a girl. What are you doing? Next, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. You guys know the mascara. We had that in our last box. I'm actually wearing it now. Let's get a close up, just kidding. So I was super excited to see that we have the eyeliner in the box. This is the easiest eyeline ever. It creates a really sharp, fluid, smudge-proof line every time. I'm like not good at eyeliner at all, but with a tip like this and a formula that's so easy to use, I can actually do like a little wing moment. It's also a waterproof formula for all the criers out there. You guys are good to go. And it's Allure's Best of Beauty Award winner and one of the Too Faced best-selling products. So you're gonna shake it before applying, then you're gonna lay the brush down against your lash line and allow the flexible bristles to hug the lashes. Look at that. It is just such a nice fluid line. I love it. Everyone loves Too Faced. The mascara is amazing, and I can promise you that the eyeliner is just as good as well. Okay, next we have these Sprinkles Tumbler. The packaging is classic Sprinkles. I love that. Funny story, so I'm from Minnesota, and literally people would have Sprinkles shipped to Minnesota, or they would go to like LA or New York on vacation and bring back Sprinkles cupcakes because we didn't have one there. So that's how big Sprinkles is worldwide. It's the best. Sprinkles cupcakes, for those of you who don't know, it's like a cupcake store. It's thing. So it's so cute. It's 20-ounce tumbler, so you can fit a lot of whatever you're putting in here. Wink, wink. This matches the baking cups from Customization 4, so if you want like a little set going, I would do that. You want to hand wash these and not microwave them. I always have iced coffee in these, so I'm really excited to have a new tumbler for it, and it keeps your drinks cold for an extended period of time. We love that. By the way, if you haven't tried a Sprinkles cupcake, you don't know what you're missing. It's good. You guys. I'm gonna be giggling through this one. Panties make me giggle. Don't put that in. Okay. All right, so now we have the Hanky Panky Panty Pack. You can get these in standard or plus size, and it's a classic thong in an innovative V shape. All the ladies know that that's the best shape, and it comes in different pops of colors, super cute for spring. Standard fit sizes 4 to 14, and then plus is 14 to 24. So we've got you covered, literally. This is the Skin Inc. Cryo Sake Roller. I've never seen a roller like this, so I'm super excited to use it. It chills your skin to increase microcirculation, minimizing enlarged pores, and depuffing sensitive skin. It's best used with your favorite serum or eye cream. I think it's a perfect size too, because you can actually get under your eye here, but you can also use it on the rest of your face. So what you're gonna do is put it in the freezer until it turns pink, which should be about 30 minutes, and then you're gonna let it sit out for about 5 minutes, then glide it onto your skin using a pressing motion until this little thing is no longer cold. So it's kind of similar to gua sha if you're familiar with that. So relaxing. It's like giving yourself a face massage, but then you look snatched after. This bottle is also so cute because it literally looks like a sake bottle. I feel like this is always what influencers do, so I do it too. This is the Fekkai Clean Styler's Root Lift. It's a non-sticky volumizing spray that adds humidity-resistant volume and root lift. It's good for all hair types. So for me, I obviously have very curly, very thick hair, so I like to have a little root lift in there so that it's not super flat on my scalp. It restores broken keratin bonds, and it's really simple to use. So basically, you're gonna shake it before use and spray it directly onto your roots with damp hair from the crown to brow level. Cover the entire top of your head and then rub it into your scalp with your fingertips to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then direct heat to roots to activate, so dry your hair. Fekkai has been in a few past boxes and our members really love it, so we're excited to bring this to you now. Woo. For a look at all the items that you can choose this season, make sure you customize your spring box, and the code I mentioned at the beginning of the video is Spring Close Up. So let me know what you're choosing in the comments below, and I've got a birthday to celebrate, so I will see you guys next season. Bye!